This video, I will be showing you how to use Shopify to sell clothes. The first thing you want to do after creating your Shopify account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on apps. After selecting apps, I want you to tap on app and sales channel settings. From here, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right hand corner. After doing that, I want you to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in Printify. So let's do that real quick. And Printify is simply a print on demand platform. And what do I mean by print on demand? Well, all you'll need to do is upload your design. Then from there, you can choose the product that you would like to add your design to. So whether it is a t-shirt, a hoodie, or a sweatshirt, or tank top, or anything at all, you'll be able to find it on Printify and you can add your design to it. And then the beautiful thing about print on demand is they'll deal with all of the customer service and the shipping and so on. So all you'll need to do is simply upload your design, get traffic to your Shopify store, and then from there you can simply just collect, and it can be completely passive after you have set it up and you have started to find traffic a traffic source. It can be completely passive. So you're going to simply tap on install app. After you have installed the app, you're going to tap on open app and you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on open full site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on catalog in the top left hand corner. After tapping on catalog, from here you can choose whether you like to add your design to a t-shirt, hoodies, anything at all. As you can see right here, you have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing. You can choose any one of these options. So let's say for example, I select sweatshirts. After selecting sweatshirts, from here you can select any one of these. So for example, I'll select best seller. You can also select your target market right there. So let me sign in real quick. So I'm going to tap on login right here and I'm going to sign in. After I've signed in, I'm going to select my store. Then from here, you can select catalog just like what I was saying earlier. Then I'll tap on sweatshirts and I'm going to be adding my design to this sweatshirt right here. Now all you'll need to do is scroll down, tap on start designing. After you have tapped on start designing, you could go over to the top left hand corner and upload your design, or you could tap on add text and from there you could simply type out the text that you would like to add, or you could tap on graphics and you can use one of their pre-made graphics right here so you can see the different options. What I would normally recommend you do is open a new tab and go onto Canva. And for example, you could go onto Canva and type in t-shirt logos, which is what I did, and you can see different templates that you can choose from. And I will be adding this template for example's sake. So you'll simply tap on it, then tap on customize this template, and you're going to be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to make changes, so you could change the text, the image, or the color if you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download, then tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go back into Printify. So let's do that real quick. And you're going to tap on upload in the top left hand corner, then tap on my device, and you're going to select the design that you have created, then tap on open. Once it has been added, you can simply adjust the size. So you could pull along right here and adjust the size. So let me do that real quick. So I'm going to adjust the size a bit. Then I'm going to tap on save product in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can see the mockups. Then you'll simply tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish, you can see it is being published right there. Once it has been published, you can go back into your Shopify store and from there you will see your first listing. And you can do this repeatedly so you can add your designs to numerous items and you'll be able to list them on your Shopify store. It is as easy as that to start selling clothes on Shopify. And again, you don't have to worry about shipping or anything like that when it comes onto Printify or any print on demand platform. So let's wait for it to be uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, you could simply go back into Shopify. Then from there, we could go over to the top left-hand corner, tap on products. And from there, you will see our listing right here. And we could tap on preview on store and you can see it right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.